Hey there, Donna Hoffman here, your interior design advocate and advocate in all things design. Sometimes area rugs can be confounding and they can bring you to your knees, which is where I am right now, but I'm actually on my knees so I can get close to the cocktail table here in the back room studio so I can show you how easy rug design can really be, and that's what I'm covering in this video. Don't let area rugs make you nervous. It's just like mixing fabric within a room where you're going to alter the scale of your fabrics. So whether you're working in open concept or confined spaces that are just adjoining, same rules apply. What you want to think about doing is taking the scale of one rug and changing it down for your next rug. So if we had something really graphic like this that we're using in a project, you can go into something truly textured like this. Notice that I'm taking this creamy background color out of this patterned rug and I'm letting it blow up into this textured rug. Wouldn't these be great in adjoining rooms? This might be in a dining room and then that might be in the adjoining living room. Or if I needed a third rug, where would I go? I would reduce my scale even more, keep the color palette consistent, and then I have this great little chevron rug that sits really beautifully with all three of these. Well, what if you're more of a traditionalist and a purist? What if you really like Persian style rugs that have been loomed? Well, there are a couple of ways you can do it. Here's a beautiful loomed rug, and these are all rugs from different projects we're working on, which is why we have these great showroom samples. So what you can do here again, just as I showed you earlier, you can take the minor color, this background creamy color, blow it up, and it looks beautiful sitting next to, whoop, my visual aids are not cooperating with me, these two rugs sit really beautifully together. You take a minor color here on the right, and you blow it up here on the left. But what if you really don't want this type of textured look, and what if you really want Persian style rugs, tufted rugs, hand knotted rugs? No problem. True purists, see if I can get this up for the camera to see, true purists will put Persian rug next to Persian rug. Open concept, not open concept, just adjoining rooms, it can be done. I do recommend, if you want to have a clear and clean feeling in the house or in your apartment, in your townhouse, think about keeping the color palettes related on those rugs. Unless, of course, you have a design fingerprint where you need lots and lots of color splashed everywhere. But if you are looking to create a sense of cohesion, just keep your color palettes in unison, and you can do Persian rug next to Persian rug, knotted rug next to knotted rug, and no problem. And again, don't forget that trick. You can always start to vary things up by reducing to texture, tone-on-tone pieces, and playing again from big scale into mid-scale into, here we go, large scale, mid-scale, no scale. Okay, so hopefully that little mini rug lesson will help take all of the hassle and untie those knots that you're feeling in your tummy about beautiful knotted or loomed rugs.